Right, well, it's my constitutional right to talk about my constitutional rights being abused. So here we have my only way of getting electricity. So there's no power in the apartment. I'm registered to live in Finland. While I'm here, I don't really get my welfare. But the guards know that. So you can see that there's just darkness. Because look, if I turn off the light, there you go. That's it. There's no anything. But the guards have said to the courts, they've asked the judges, the justices, not for me to talk about the guards slowly killing me, because no one wants a scandal about the guards. Here we go. I don't have any electricity. Constitutionally, this is my right for a safe home. There's my door. I don't have a safe home. And the guards don't want anyone to know about this. But, this is the truth. You see, there's the bed. The guards got the bed video about me waking up with rats crawling around me. They got that taken off TikTok. You can find it if you look on the TikTok. The link to the YouTube video version of the bed the guards didn't, or as I quote, found upsetting and hurtful. Like, can we get real for a minute? The guards are actually getting upset about the horror that the guards are putting me through. Imagine that. Imagine being the guards and looking at what you're doing to a person and being upset about the effects of what you're doing to a person and asking the court to get the person to stop talking about how you're abusing them. That's some shit. I mean, seriously. That's some narcissistic, sociopathic, endemic shit that the guards are like, oh, Fluff is telling the people on the TikTok that we're being mean to them and we're putting them through horrors. And actually, other colleagues are looking around at what we're doing to Fluff and it's upsetting our other colleagues. And we should ask Fluff, at the threat of prison, against their constitutional rights, to stop telling people how we on Gardaí corner are abusing Fluff. Listen, lads, I know you have to present this to the judge in the court. So, here you go. This is what you do to me. This is Saturday morning. A friend had me over for a little bit. Actually, not a friend, a fucking random stranger who heard my story and didn't want me to go home to this for a few hours, but they have work. So, apparently I'm not allowed to tell people about what the guards are doing to me. The judges have yet to explain where that fits in my constitutional right. That's Justice Holland, Justice Heslin, Justice Meehan, and District Court Judge Murphy. You see, the thing is that I've read your Judicial Council rules and I know you're all at breach of duty. So I hope you all look at this video, because this is online, archived, and this is Ireland. This is what the cops do. This is how you live. If you complain about the cops, you get your life destroyed. They come back and they pepper spray your life's work. I was about to publish a second novel, an album, and 3 EPs. I usually say 2 because it's easier for people to comprehend, but in the court documents, in the DAR, you'll find I said 3. I don't have a life. But apparently I'm not allowed to talk about the fact that I'm being tortured like this. Justice Meehan told me, I think there's the other departments for that. Which meant that he didn't really read the documentation, which At all times, really, I keep getting to show that judges are at breach of duty and at professional and statutory negligence. Get that, Judicial Council, because you won't want that played in court, will you, before a jury, when it pointed out legally that you're all at statutory negligence because you shouldn't have let me live like this. Neither should the guards. I don't want my day in court. I want my life back. You can stop covering up for corrupt guards. Sure, I gave you enough evidence of the perjury. I have over 100 gigs of evidence of your perjury. The 60 gigs is just a fucking deflection.